Hello, Steve Mills here, and I'm here to share with you some more tried, tested and proven ideas and ways in which you can grow your business and improve your marketing and improve your sales and all that other wonderful good stuff. So today I'm over on LinkedIn, and I'm here because I've really just started using something that seems to be creating a really good buzz, and that is using the hashtags on LinkedIn to create a significant amount of additional views. You can see here what I mean. So here on this particular post, let me just get rid of that. This is a post that I've just done about my results club. It's got a video in it, and I've used the hashtag marketing knowledge and hashtag digital marketing. Now I did this the other day, and I got nearly 1,000 views just by using those hashtags. So in other words, what this is doing is actually linking my video into a conversation that's already going on about hashtags, about digital marketing and marketing knowledge. So, you know, it's getting into that conversation. I'm going to just demonstrate it really sort of simply. If I just go over to my YouTube channel and just select a particular video. This is one I recorded, actually Gemma recorded the other day. So all I'm going to do is take the URL from that, copy, and then I'm going to go back into LinkedIn, and I'm going to write an article. I'm just going to say, take a look at our social media management software. Not the best marketing I've ever written, but you know, just trying to do things quickly for you so you can get a better understanding of what I'm talking about. So I'm then going to paste the video. So it takes a few moments, as you're no doubt aware. Now look here, it's already recommending some hashtags. So it's recommending I use the social media hashtag. So that makes sense. People talking about social media can look at our social media hashtag video. So there we go. We then go in and add software as well. And if I want to, I can just add some perhaps of my own. So I can go in there, add hashtag, and let's just do, if I type in the word can't spell marketing, that's not very good for a marketing person. So I can use any of these here. So let's just use, I'll just use the word marketing, I think, you know, hashtag marketing. So what I've done there is I've linked this video into conversations that are going on LinkedIn about those subjects. And what will happen is I'll get double, triple, or sometimes so far even 20 times as many views because I'm using those hashtags. So I'm going to post that now on LinkedIn and watch those views come in. So hope that was of value to you. And as ever, it's all about taking action, not about learning new stuff. Learning that's not going to help your business. It's the application of it. Implement it. That's going to grow your business. Thank you very much for listening. Oh, by the way, if you want to know more about me and what I do, go to stevemills.co and take a look. Thanks very much.